In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a buy button in Ecwid. This is a comprehensive 2025 tutorial, and by the end of it, you'll have a full understanding of how to integrate this feature seamlessly into your website. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Ecwid account. Head over to the Ecwid website by visiting www.ecwid.com and enter your login details. If you're new to Ecwid, make sure you've already set up an account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your Ecwid dashboard, which is your control center for all things related to your online store. Now that you're in your dashboard, navigate to the catalog section and click on products. This is where you'll find all the products you're selling, and it's the key area where you'll be selecting the product for which you want to add a buy button. Browse through your list of products and select the one that you wish to add this feature for. Once you've made your selection, you'll see the product's detailed view. Next, click on the Share or Buy Button tab. This tab will take you to the settings where you can start the process of generating your buy button. To begin, simply click on the Buy Now button option. Here you'll be able to customize the button's appearance to suit your website style and your personal preferences. You can change the button text to something like Buy Now or Add to Cart, depending on what you feel will best encourage customers to make a purchase. Additionally, you can adjust the color and size of the button and even add a quantity selector if necessary. Take some time to explore these options and determine the best look for your buy button. After finalizing your customizations, you'll receive a piece of HTML code. This code is what you'll need to embed the button on your website. Copy this generated HTML code carefully, as it's essential for the next step. Now head over to your website builder or content management system, whether it be WordPress, Wix or Squarespace. Navigate to the specific page where you want the buy button to appear. Once you've identified the right spot, add an HTML block or a custom code block to that part of your web page. Paste the copied Ecwid buy button code into this block. This action will essentially tell your website where and how to display your new buy button. Finally, take a moment to save your changes and publish your page. Once those steps are completed, you should be able to see the buy button live on your site, ready for your customers to use. That's it. You've successfully added a buy button to your Ecwid store and integrated it into your website. With this feature, your customers now have a streamlined way to make purchases directly from your site. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Thanks for watching and happy selling.